Let's read the lesson. Unit 1 Plant Life, Chapter 3 Food from Plants. Learning points: cereal, pulses, vegetable, edible oil, sugar, tea, coffee, fruits, dry fruits, spices. These all foods we are getting from plants. Do you know that? Let's understand and learn the lesson. We get most of our food from plants. Cereals. Some plants give us cereals. Cereals are our main food. Which are the cereals? Here picture is given: wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, maize. Right? Maize means corn. Those you have like most. Okay? Bajra we are making from the roti from there. Jowar also we are using for making roti. Rice you can make from rice, khichdi, rice, pulao, biryani, etc. Wheat also using for making roti, laddu, chapati, etc. Pulses. Some plants give us pulses. Some plants give us pulses. Here picture is given. Pigeon pea means tur. Dal you are eating with rice is called tur, or in science we can say it pigeon pea. Lentil or another name is masoor. Pea also you have seen very well and eat also, and I think you like most also. Chickpea also called as chana. Black gram another name is urad. Green gram another name is moong. It is already there in your kitchen. Just take your help of your parents and identify that pulses. Next page. Vegetables. Some plants give us vegetables like cauliflower, tomato, brinjal, pumpkin. Some vegetables are eaten raw like cucumber, carrot, radish. We cannot cook them. We are going to eat it directly in a raw form. Raw means कच्चा. कच्चा खा सकते हैं हम, इसको पकाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. पका के भी खा सकते हैं लेकिन कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं. Edible oil. Some plants give us edible oil. Sunflower, groundnut, coconut, till. Groundnut, you can see the picture of yellow colored nuts under the ground. We are saying in Hindi it's as a moongfali. Moongfali oil we are using for cooking. Coconut and till also give us oil. Next page. Sugar, tea, coffee. We get sugar, tea and coffee from plants. Here picture is given of sugar cane plant. We are getting sugar cane juice and make sugar from it. Tea, here picture of tea plant and getting tea. Coffee plant, coffee seeds, and we bake them, dry them and make a coffee from it. Fruits. Some plants give us fleshy and juicy fruits like apple, orange, mango, banana, grapes, pineapple. Name 2 fruits you eat with or without removing their skins. Do you know which fruit we are eating with or without removing their skin? Apple and grapes. Okay. Dry fruits. Some plants give us dry fruits like almond, cashew nut, walnut. Spices. We get spices from some plants. Examples are clove, cardamom, chili, turmeric. That are called spices. Now I know number 1. Some plants give us cereals. Some plants give us pulses. Some plants give us vegetables. Some plants give us edible oils. Some plants give us sugar, tea and coffee. Some plants give us fleshy and juicy fruits. Some plants give us dry fruits. Some plants give us spices. Now it's time for summative assessment. Let's answer. Question 1. Give 2 examples of each. 1. Cereal. Here I have given the answer wheat, rice. You can write bajra, corn, etc. also. Whatever spelling you can learn, you know, you can write here. Second, pulses, pea, bean. Dry fruits, almond, walnut. Plants giving edible oil, groundnut, coconut, teal, sunflower. Whatever spelling you know very well, you can write here. Those are giving oil. 5. Vegetables eaten as a salad. Cucumber, tomato. Also we can write here carrot too. Cabbage also. Question 3. Question number 2. Tick the right word printed in bold. Number 1. Here in bold form groundnut and cashew nut is given. We have to choose from these two. Which one is right word? Oil is used for cooking. For cooking we are using groundnut oil. Cashew nut oil we are not using using for cooking. 2. Potato or carrot can be eaten raw. Raw we can eat carrot. Potato we are not going to eat raw. 5. Pumpkin or cucumber is used to prepare salad. For salad we are using cucumber, not pumpkin. 4. Almond or apple is a dry fruit. Dry fruit word is given. Read it properly. Don't read only fruit. Dry fruit is given. So make a tick mark on a almond. If you are making tick on a apple, then your answer is wrong and you lose your marks. Question 3. Name the following. I want to give you homework this question because question is favorite fruit, like most, using for cooking at your home, like most. That's why I want to give this homework to you. But I help you by giving my favorite one and make answer here. Number 1. Your favorite fruit. That's mean my favorite fruit is mango. So I am writing here MNGO mango. If your favorite is orange, you can write here apple. Whatever your favorite fruit, you can make answer. 2. Vegetable you like most. I like tomato most, so I am going to write here tomato. If you like cauliflower, potato, cabbage, carrot, etc., you can write here. 3. The edible oil used in your home for cooking. I use for cooking groundnut. You can take help your parents and ask them which edible oil you are using at home for cooking and make answer here. 4. The dry fruit you like most. I like almond is most, so I am writing here almond. If you like walnut is most, then you can write walnut. If you like cashew nut most, you can write here cashew nut. Question 4. Match suitably by drawing arrows. Column A, column B. Barley is a cereal, cereal, cereal. So match it with cereal. Udad is a pulses. So we are going to write match arrow with pulse, pulse. Brinjal is a vegetable. So make arrow with brinjal. Apple is a fruit. So we are matching with apple with fruit. Now time for formative assessment. Let's have fun. 1. Color the following picture. Here 2 picture is given. One is jackfruit and another one of brinjal. So fill the color according to its picture. Number 2. Collect pictures of different kinds of fruits, dry fruits, vegetables and paste them in your scrapbook. Instead of scrapbook, you can use notebook too. Unit 1, Plant Life, Chapter 3. Food from plants. Do you know we get food from plants? Yes. Foods like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, dry fruits, also edible oil. Edible oil means oil which we are using for cooking, for eating is called edible oil. Dry fruits also we get from plants and spices also get from plants. Some plants give us cereals like wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, maize, etc. Maize also called as corn. Those we are like most pulses like pea, tur, chana, masoor, urad, etc. Now vegetables, as you know, tomato, brinjal, cauliflower, pumpkin, etc. Edible oil like sunflower, tea, groundnut, coconut, we are getting from some plants. Sugar, tea and coffee also we are getting from some plants. Fruits, mango, apple, banana, oranges, chiku, etc. Dry fruits like almond, walnut, cashew nut we get from some plants. And spices like chili, turmeric, clove, cardamom, etc. we are getting from plants. Let's do the exercise. Question 1. Give 2 examples of each. Cereals. WHEAT, wheat. RICE, rice. You can also write another bajra, maize, etc. Pulses. I am going to write here PEAT, BEAN, bean, because these words are very easy. So I am going to make answer with this type. Dry fruits, almond, and ALMOND, almond, WALNUT, walnut, plants giving edible oil, sunflower, TIL, groundnut, coconut, also you can write here. Vegetables eaten as salad, CARROT, carrot, TOMATO, tomato, cucumber, beet, also you can write here. Take the right word printed in bold. These 2 words are there. You have to choose which one is right. Let's read first, understand it and make a tick mark. Groundnut or cashew nut oil is used for cooking. Here cooking word is given and oil is given. So in cooking we are using groundnut oil. That's why we make a tick mark on the groundnut style. Potato, carrot can be eaten raw. Raw word is given, so we cannot eat potato raw. We are going to eat carrot raw. So our answer is carrot. CARROT, carrot. Make a tick mark on a carrot. Pumpkin or cucumber is used to prepare salad. Salad word is given, so we are using cucumber as a salad. So make a tick mark on a cucumber, not on a pumpkin. Next, 4 number, almond or apple is a dry fruit. Look at properly here and get it properly. Dry fruit, not only fruit. Dry fruit word is given, so we have to make a tick mark on a almond spelling, not on a apple. Apple is a fruit. It is not a dry fruit. Question number 3. Name the following. Your favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is mango. So I am again writing here as we have written in chapter number 2 exercise. Your favorite fruit is, my favorite fruit is mango. So I am writing here mango. If your favorite fruit is another, you can write that style. 2. The vegetables you like most. I like cabbage, CABBAGE, cabbage most. If you like potato most, you can write here potato. If you like tomato, you can write tomato. The edible oil used in your home for cooking. I am using edible oil sunflower. So I am going to write here sun, FLOWER, sunflower. If you are using edible oil as a groundnut, you can write here groundnut. If you are using tea, then you can write tea. If you are using coconut, then you can write here coconut. The dry fruit you like most. I like almond the most. So I am going to write here almond. If you like walnut, you can write walnut. If you like cashew nut, then you can write cashew nut. So match suitably by drawing arrow. Here 2 columns is given. We have to match properly. Column A, column B. Barley. Like wheat, rice, jowar, bajri, barley also a cereal. So we are going to match it with cereal, cereal. UDAD, udar is a pulses. So match it with PULSE, pulse. Brinjal apple is a fruit. So we are going to match it with C, F-R-U-I-T.